Welcome back to Kids Toyland. Today, 4 of our farm animals invited 4 of our zoo animal friends over. They've played all day long, but now it's time for them to go back to the zoo with the farmer. Can you help me gather them up so the farmer can take them home? We have a cow, and a leopard. Which one belongs in the zoo and which one belongs on the farm? Help the farmer decide which one needs to go back to the zoo. That's right. This one needs to go back to the zoo. Great job, boys and girls. Let's put him in the farmer's tractor. And the cow can now go back into the barn. Now we have a goat and a lion. Goat, lion, which one of these animals belongs at the zoo? And which one belongs at the farm? Does the goat go to the zoo? Or does he belong to the farm? That's right, he is a farm animal. So let's put him in with the cow. So the lion must be the one that belongs in the zoo. So let's put him in the tractor. Now we have a zebra and a pig. Which one of these animals belong in the zoo and one belongs in the farm? Can you tell me which one belongs at the farm? That's right, the piggy does. Okay, let's put the pig into the barn. Great job, boys and girls. So that means the zebra goes back to the zoo. I think we're missing a couple animals. We have 1, 2, 3 zoo animals, 1, 2, 3 farm animals. Where could the other 2 be? Are they hiding? I think I found them. We have a little lamb here. And an elephant. Great job, boys and girls. Way to find the missing animals. Now, which one of these animals belongs at the farm? And which goes to the zoo? Do you know? The elephant or the sheep? Does the elephant belong on the farm? Nope, he belongs to the zoo. So let's put him with his friends. And the little sheep, his home is the farm. So let's put him with his farm friends. Great job! Now the farmer can take all these zoo animals back to the zoo. Thanks so much for helping me find all the animals that belong back at the zoo. Join us next time.